So this crypto scam is happening right now live on YouTube. I wanted to warn you guys about it and others that will come up like this. So let me show you what's going on. I reported this to everybody 3 hours ago when it first started. There were, let's see here. I know I marked it in here somewhere, but there was thousands of people watching it, 15,000. I just retweeted it. 35,000 still watching it. I reported it to YouTube. I reported it to Michael Saylor, to Pomp on Twitter as best I could. But let's take a look at it real quick of what's going on.
Will it be banned? Okay, well, no, we're not going to ban cryptocurrency.
So I'm going to mute it because you won't be able to hear me, but let's go look at it on YouTube. Sorry about these red lines. I'll fix them later. But basically what is going on is somebody started running this live video this morning. They're calling themselves MicroStrategy, which is Michael Saylor's company supposedly. And then Michael Saylor's giving away 50,000 Ethereum and 15,000 Bitcoin. First come, first serve. Just go to the website or scan the QR code here. If you send 0.1 BT, you get double back all the way up to 30. Over here, if you send 1 ETH, you get 2 ETH back, all the way up to 250. Guys, this is a scam. This is an old trick, but it's still going around, and people fall for it. They send a little bit of cryptocurrency expecting to get double back at some type of giveaway. It doesn't happen. This is a video they stole from Pomp's channel, where he interviewed Michael Saylor here recently. Here's the thing that bothers me. Michael Saylor is a trusted source in this community, and so is Pomp, and they're using them. When I first started watching it, I was like, oh, great, another interview between these two. And then quickly, when I started seeing this and paying attention to the interview, I realized what was going on. But somebody's been in this space for a couple years and real familiar with these guys. It almost, it caught my attention and until I looked at the details. So be so careful with this. I can't believe this YouTube's still allowing this to go on. Go over here to the flags and report this. I'll show you what I did. Spam or misleading, choose scam or fraud. And it does apply to links in the description as well. And then you can put in details. I've already done this multiple times. But if a bunch of us can do it, let's go protect Bitcoin community. Let's protect Michael Saylor, Pomp, all these people, not let these scammers get away with this. There's still 23,000 people watching. This has been going on for 3 hours now at least. So be careful out there, guys.